Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of an unknown error unknown error occurred on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on YouTube app, you will click on settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you will click on YouTube app here. You can enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear detail because that can delete your account, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.